Hello everybody, in this video we're going to look at how to use string.printable with Python to remove emojis. So we're going to remove anything which is not printable. So before we start we need to import string, and then let's create a string, and we will create a string with some emojis in. For instance, if you were doing a machine learning project and you didn't want any text that had emojis in it, for instance if you were analyzing sentiment from Twitter or something, you might not actually want emoji characters because they may not show up in your bag of words or your count vectorizer or something like that. So let's just put in some random words. We'll have a couple with emojis and we'll have a couple without. So I've just got some emojis that I've already collected, and there we go, that's our string. So what we want to do is we want to pass this string and we want to eliminate any words which have got an emoji in them. So let's make a function, we'll call it clean underscore words, and we will pass it, sorry about the typo, we'll pass it my underscore string. Now what we want to do is iterate through, and we'll say for I in, we'll split the string, assuming it's one big paragraph, which it might well be if we were doing, for instance, Twitter sentiment analysis or something like that. We would then do split, and then that's separated our paragraph into a sequence of words. Next, we will say word equals, so word equals nothing if, then we want to look to see if any, and then we were looking for character is not in string.printable. This is the important bit. So if the character is not, if string.printable says it's not printable, then that character we want to exclude. And we're going to iterate through all of the characters in each word within our paragraph. Yeah, that makes sense. Else I. So we'll return the word if it's okay, but if it's not okay, then we return a pair of speech marks, i.e. empty. And then let's just print the word, so print word. So I'll either print the word or print emptiness, because the emptiness will be what we get if there is an emoji. So let's run it, we'll do clean words and my string. If anybody is new to Python or creating functions, my string is the prototype. So if that was called, if this here, this string was actually called my long string, we could put my long string in here. This is just the prototype. So as long as what I've highlighted here matches what I've got here, so as long as these two match, we're fine. So that could be called my, let's call it my emoji string, and then it just has to match when we use our function for real. There we go. So if we run that, excuse the conda message. Oh, and we've got an error here, and that is because, probably because I've got the wrong number of brackets. Let's just check that. For characters in I, we need there. Okay, let's run that. Try that again. Clear. Python 3 p1.py. Oh, I didn't save it. You can go into VS Code and set it so that as soon as you make a change, it saves it. And there we go. So we have, oh, I didn't put a comma there. Let's put some more words in then. So we'll say tree, car. Let's run that again, clear this, and there we go. So we've got moon, boo, tree, car, and it's missed out HTT smiley face, and it's missed out F fire icon emoji icon out of the my underscore emoji underscore string. So let's just try and find another emoji just to prove that it works on anything, which it should well do. Let's just see if we can find, what have we got here? Oh, see no evil monkey. So for instance, if we had monkey, run it again, and there we go, it's still missed that out. If I change that O, then string.printable will be true. When string.printable is true, then it returns I, and I is the word within our paragraph. So run that, and we don't get monkey. We're not saved it. Yes, we go. There we go. So thanks for watching, and I hope you found this useful. This is how to remove non-ASCII characters or use string.printable to remove emojis. For instance, if you were doing machine learning project and you were doing sentiment analysis and you didn't want all the smiley faces from social media, e.g. Twitter, etc. So thanks for watching, and I'm back soon.